In this video, we will understand metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals are different types of materials present around us. Metals and non-metals are two types of substances that may be distinguished by their physical and chemical characteristics. Let's understand metals and non-metals on the basis of their physical properties. Some of the important physical properties for metals are luster, conductivity, malleability and ductility, physical state, melting and boiling point, density, and sonorous. Let's understand them one by one. Luster. Metals have a shiny appearance. When light falls on them, they reflect it back, making them look bright and shiny. Conductivity. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. This means they allow heat and electricity to pass through them easily. This property makes metals essential in various applications, such as electrical wiring and cooking utensils. Malleability and ductility. Metals can be hammered into thin sheets and drawn into wires without breaking. This property allows them to be shaped into different forms for various uses like coins, jewelry, and construction materials. Solid at room temperature. Most metals are solid at room temperature, with the exception of mercury, which is a liquid. This solid state allows metals to maintain their structure and form under normal conditions. High melting and boiling points. Metals generally have high melting and boiling points as compared to non-metals. This means they require a significant amount of heat to melt or boil. Density. Most metals have high densities compared to non-metals. This property makes metals heavy and gives them a solid feel. Sonorous. Metals produce a characteristic ringing sound when struck. This property is often utilized in making musical instruments like bells and cymbals. Examples of metals include iron, copper, aluminium, gold, and silver. Non-metals. Non-metals are another group of chemical elements with properties that are distinct from metals. Some of the important physical properties of non-metals are dull appearance, poor conductivity, brittleness, various physical state, low melting and boiling points, density, and not sonorous. Let's understand them one by one. Dull appearance. Unlike metals, non-metals usually lack the shiny appearance. They often appear dull or have a powdery texture. Poor conductors. Non-metals are generally poor conductors of heat and electricity. They do not allow heat or electricity to pass through them easily. This property makes them useful as insulating materials in electrical wiring and thermal insulation. Brittleness. Non-metals are often brittle, meaning they break or shatter easily when subjected to force. For example, substances like sulfur and phosphorus are brittle nonmetals. Various states. Unlike metals, which are mostly solid at room temperature, nonmetals can exist in different states. Solid, like sulfur, liquid, like bromine, or gas, like oxygen and nitrogen. Low melting and boiling points. Nonmetals generally have low melting and boiling points as compared to metals. This means they require less heat to melt or boil. Density. Nonmetals are typically less dense as compared to metals, meaning they have a lower mass per unit volume. Not sonorous. Unlike metals, nonmetals do not produce a ringing sound when struck. They often produce a dull thud or no sound at all. Examples of nonmetals include carbon, sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, and chlorine. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.